My friend here, he's like, you have to try it right off the grill. You guys have no idea how delicious this is. Delicious, man. It's not too hot, super juicy. I mean, the spices. Wow. What's up, everyone? I hope you're all doing amazing. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere, coming at you from beautiful South Beach, Miami, Florida. Today I'm so pumped because I'm here at Rakija Lounge, one of the best Balkan restaurants in Miami. I went to their sister restaurant, Rakija Grill, in downtown, and I had a massive feast with my father. I love Balkan food. It's a mix between Serbian, Croatian, Slovenian, Macedonian, Albanian, and they have delicious rakia. And today what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside and we're gonna see how they make cevapi. Cevapi, you got the minced meat with the bread, so amazing. And we're gonna start off the morning with some rakia. Obviously, Rakija Lounge, rakia, it's a staple in the Balkans. Whenever you go to the Balkans, any of the countries, you're gonna try rakia. It's the best. It's basically distilled grapes. Let's go inside Rakija Lounge. Mask on, let's go. Marija.
Hi David, welcome back. Good to have you.
Thank you.
Welcome to Rakija Lounge.
What do we have here?
This is Dobro Utro. This is good morning. Welcome to Rakija Lounge. This is the way how we start the day in all the Balkan countries. Then we have a lot of different kind of rakia coming from Serbia. Plum, apricot, quince, honey, raspberry, Golden Rooster, which is one of the most popular right now.
So we're starting off the morning with the Golden Rooster. Jivili. Smooth, it's light, and you have gold. Oh my God.
David, it's a breakfast and most popular, let's say in Serbia, in Croatia, Montenegro, Macedonia, Pelinkovac, for a smooth feeling in the stomach. This is the one.
All right, my man.
The most popular Gorky list in Miami.
Jivili. Oh, this is perfect.
It's very good for breakfast.
Yeah, man, this is light. This is almost like you were saying, like jaeger. Has that
Jaeger,
similar,
yeah, jaeger,
similar taste.
almost similar taste, yeah.
All right, guys, I think it's time to go to the kitchen. I'm starving.
All right, we're ready. Let's do it.
Hola. ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien.
We're making at the moment pita bread. Pita bread, we stir it for 7 minutes. Flour, water, oil, sugar, salt, and dry yeast. We mix it 7 minutes, then we start portioning. We're using 150, for example, pita bread. That's our final touch for the plate of cevapi.
What's pretty amazing is that she is Venezolana.
Oh,
La patria.
La patria.
Mi pana. So he shaped the bread, he made a little like incisions, right? And now he's gonna put it into the oven. So once the dough's ready, she brings it all out and she, divides it 10 ounces each. She puts it into plastic, she seals it. So next up we're making the cevapi, the minced meat. Can't wait. Right here, the onions with the secret ingredient, and then we have the meat, right? So next is the meat.
Yes.
18.
Yes.
So now she mixes it for 18 minutes, and then it's ready to be shaped. The pita is ready. Woo! So once he pulls out the bread, he adds a little bit of butter on top. Perfect. It's ready, no?
Yeah.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this open, we're gonna shove in cevapi inside. It's the best. So to make cevapi, you need the sausage machine maker. So basically they put all the meat on top, and it comes out this tube. And usually they put, the little piece where it goes inside, right, for the sausages. We have 9 minutes. We have enough time for another rakia, maybe 2.
Now we're going to do very famous kaisia. It's apricot. Let's say it's a summer drink.
Next one we have the apricot. My friend.
Jivili.
Very fruity. Oh, this is smooth. For me, this is Serbia right here.
Jivili.
Cevapi is ready. Let's taste it.
Let's go back in the kitchen. So here we're putting all the meat into this machine, and then it's gonna come out. She's had 2 years experience doing this. She has never broken cevapi.
No, not never bad.
So she added the saran wrap. She adds a little bit of oil because she doesn't want the cevapi to stick to the saran wrap, obviously.
This freezer is special, it's not a regular freezer. This freezer is freezing 45 minutes cevapi.
So mommy is gonna start shortly cutting and preparing the portions of the cevapi.
So the first thing she does is cuts off the ends so that every single cevapi can be the same size. She's literally using a ruler to measure the cevapi. So everything has to be 4 inches. Once she's done cutting, then she wraps everything with saran wrap because she puts it back into the freezer until an order comes in. As soon as an order comes in, they put this on the grill.
What you do, you always turn around the cevapi.
So right here, he's making cevapi. So low temperature, you know, grill it slowly. So nothing frozen and reheated again and again and again. No. It's always fresh.
Everything is going
good.
slowly.
Slow food.
Slow food. The joke wanna say like
My friend here, he's like, you have to try it right off the grill. You guys have no idea how delicious this is. Delicious, man. It's not too hot, super juicy. I mean, the spices. Wow. I mean, I should hold back. I have about 20 to go, but. It's the best part about the Balkan people. They love to have fun. The area, bro.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Živeli.
So which one is this one again?
It's a Pelinkovac. It's a brandy from Serbia. It's a kruška.
Kruška. Okay. No, it's easier. I like it. I like the fruitier ones. All the fruits.
Usually we pour with the dozer, but at this moment I don't have the dozer.
This is raspberry brandy.
This is raspberry rakia.
Rakija. Raspberry rakia.
Cheers.
Okay.
Honey rakia is my favorite. When I entered Croatia the first time, this is what I had. So good. We have a huge variety here. This is all Balkan, a little mix of Mediterranean, but you also have other things here, right? And then obviously,
Yes. Let's start the morning.
Yeah. Let's start. We started the morning hours ago.
Thank you, chef.
Migo, listo. Okay. So how do we start? This is like fried donuts. What is this?
That's a uštipci. It's the most popular in Serbia and Bosnia.
Uštipci.
Uštipci, yes.
So basically, it's if you go to the carnival here in the U.S. or Youth Fair in Miami, this is basically elephant ear, but it needs a sugar. But here we dip it in this. Cheers.
Cheers.
So what is this?
That's a beef.
That's
It's
beef
a smoked
loin.
beef. It's a beef loin.
It is.
This is a kulen.
Kulen.
It's
Salami.
Salami.
So it comes from Macedonia. It's called kulen.
Kulen, yes. Spicy.
That's the way I like it. Wow. And mixed with this.
This is suvi vrat.
Suvi
It's a
vrat.
smoked neck pork. We have also over here pancetta.
This is
is,
basically bacon, right?
Bacon, yes. It's a belly bacon. It's also special.
Dude, that's like raw. Yeah, salami.
Okay, this is the way. This is the way you do it.
So this is cevapi, right? So right here, we have the minced meat. We have that's like a 10 piece. 15?
10 piece. This is a 10.
And then here we have two different amazing sauces. What are they?
This is the kaimak, and this one is ayvar.
So the way we're doing this is we're gonna break off pieces and eat.
You dip it. You place it in onions, then you do it.
my turn. So grab a piece, break it off. So you have the bottom and the top, right? And you went with that one, so I'm gonna go with this one. The bread, I love that you feel in the meat. You feel the smokiness, textures.
The bread is even smoked, you know, like because we place it on cevapi and the
Exactly.
smoke is coming up. So it's soft.
This is the staple in the Balkans. Every country you go to, you're gonna eat this at least one time, at least. Next up, we have the Karađorđeva, which is basically the Serbian schnitzel.
Serbian schnitzel, yes.
Cut straight in the middle. Wow, we're definitely not eating this whole thing, but wow.
It's a bit over too much.
Too much.
You have to do first, you know, like lemon.
Okay.
We do lemon.
So I did it bad.
Yeah. You always put the lemon in Karađorđeva.
Okay.
Because it's fried.
Nice.
Yeah.
Give it a
And
little
then-
like zest.
Yeah, because you know, like you want to feel that taste, juicy taste, fruity taste, and then go ahead, do it.
Let's go ahead. So basically, Karađorđeva is a pork schnitzel.
Pork schnitzel, yes, filled with cheese, mozzarella, and kajmak.
This is phenomenal. I had this at Balkan Grill. Sorry, Rakija Grill.
Rakija Grill, yes.
Rakija Grill. The cheese melting out, mixed with the crust, delicious pork. Wow, and I actually add some of this, right?
Yeah.
It's so good. So good. Wow. One last piece of pork.
This is octopus. It's Argentinian octopus, grilled, marinated in a garlic and a spice. It's the salad and the spicy mayo. And you can see, you know, like when pork is going down so softly, dip it in spicy mayo.
For me, the best thing about the sea is the octopus. This, mussels, oysters. Wow, look at this. It's like drenched.
It's a good match.
Dude, it's like the perfect. Wow, spicy, no?
Yeah, spicy.
A little spicy.
Spicy, really spicy.
I would eat this whole thing. If we didn't have all that, wow, it's so good. The tenderness, it's like soft in the middle.
The sea bass, Mediterranean sea bass, branzino. It's grilled, marinated in a garlic and lime. It's going to be.
You're gonna fillet it, huh?
Yes, of course. You know. Like,
You're gonna take it apart?
Yes.
Look at that.
all right.
So you take it off the
plate,
bones.
Your plate, yeah.
All right, guys, so we're trying the branzino. Amazing. It's actually one of the most expensive fishes to eat at a restaurant right now. Right?
Yes. Traveling so far.
So, I mean, it's a Mediterranean fish. It tastes ridiculous. It's like butter.
Like a butter.
It really is, right?
Yeah. Melting.
It's so good. Wow. Even the salad's amazing.
And one portion is really to enjoy, you know, like
I mean, that's one person right there.
one person.
You want the eye?
No.
No, you don't want the eye? I'm all about the eyes.
Okay. Now we're going to have a mixed grill for two. It's made from the 2 pljeskavica, 10 cevapi, 2 sausage and chicken, grilled chicken. Yeah, and of course, you know, ivar and kajmak, you know, like, and onions. Doesn't go without that. My favorite suđukice, that's a veal sausage, yes, from the grill.
Why is the veal so good? Easy. They only drink milk.
They don't eat grass, you know, we eat nothing at all, you know, like this is like a...
The texture is smoky. It's like condensed. One more bite. And this is basically the Serbian burger.
Yes, yeah, Serbian burger. It's
What? So it's cut in half, right? It looks amazing though.
yeah, it's okay. Cheers.
The textures of this burger.
The cheese is going in the meat.
Mm-hmm.
And it's more juicy.
Wow.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yeah, so you have melted cheese going through the meat. Gives it a whole different sense of flavor. After these 5-6 dishes, you explode. You implode. Shampitar. Oh man, look at that. Wow. It's like a cookie with some chocolate and whipped cream. A creamy chocolate mousse. I don't know.
It's not about whipped cream, you know, it's a slow made whipped cream. They mix it like almost like a 25 minutes in machine. It's an egg white.
Mixed it for 35 years, dude. Cinnamon. I don't mean because
Živjeli.
ready?
Živjeli. David is a present from us, from Rakija Lounge. It's a Golden Rooster Rakija, it's a quince, and I hope so you will enjoy. Welcome.
Too much, dude. Too much. Too much. Thank you. Amazing. The Rakija Lounge here on Collins between 11th and 12th. Amazing. We're literally in between two hotels.
Yes.
Incredible garden. You have a bar. You have a seating area, a dining area.
Tiki bar.
Tiki bar. Back here, we have more private area where we're sitting.
More
Amen.
fresh,
Thank
better
you.
taste.
Always. More fresh, better taste.
Yes.
Nothing here is frozen. The microwave is never used. It's literally sitting there as an ornament.
Yeah, you can see that, you know, it's built up of everything, you know, on top of it.
Hi, my friend.
Hi, Julie.
Julie. Wow. So guys, if you ever find yourself in Miami, South Beach, come here to Rakija Lounge. It's a lounge, it's also a restaurant, it's also a bar. You get everything here.
Yeah, don't forget about Tuesday.
Tuesday.
It's a
Tuesday.
Balkan
Today's
night.
Tuesday. It's Balkan night. Come here. Never-ending Rakija. Never-ending food. And yeah.
Yeah, most of the food is coming, you know, like from the kitchen, Balkan cuisine on the Tuesday. Regular days is different food. And of course, everything is available, you know, like you can taste it.
Miroslav, the owner, thank you so much, dude. Thank you.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
Thank you.
So much.
Guys, if you love this video, please give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below and subscribe to this channel for awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure. Maybe in Albania or Kosovo or Serbia. Where am I going?
It's a big Balkan. Crazy Balkan. Cheers.